Good morning, welcome back to Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog. Boy, I kinda host up. Have the flow, guys. I want to shoot, we are going to shoot up video to the phone and get, you know. I want different thing to the people. See, Rasta. Yeah, bike with the pan this man, a bike we are moving from, no vehicle. See the police and what? I want to play police and all. I want so, you know, Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, how we do it, you know. Yeah. Keep on cooking the banger video them so you can get them to watch it. Yeah, man. You know what I mean? I pull over by cops, man. Yeah, man. I pull over by a pet. Guys, the police didn't stop us, you know. So we are ride without no helmet. So we can't blame them for that because at the end of the day, our own safety still, you see me? So that get 2 tickets, you know. So the things that you know, we have to work with the rule. We can't go beyond the rule. We know so if we do it thing and we don't do it, so we have to pay for it. Don't it? Yeah man, that's what I think, man. All they did. Simple 1, 2. Then check me and everything alright. Now I no outstanding ticket because I always make sure I always up on the safe side. Fully active. What's how we still? Caribbean Vibes still. We're out today. Right there, river today. That's something different today. Yeah, so we're back to one of our favorite place to shoot video, Sweet River, Westmoreland. The camera. It's been a while when I come that side for the storm. I pay back for the next back phone for the side of the reach. You say the camera gets stage fright when you see police, them freeze up on everything. Yeah. Nothing. But there man, so we're going to see our full side stick. We're not go on full side since the storm. So we can't get no pass go over. But the place look green up and bush up, watch it. Yeah. But there peeps, one more great vlog. On the Sunday. Sunday look cloudy. Rain over the park there, I line up to come over. We are going to do it man. Stick and stay over there. I want to hopefully it'll be a great day. All the pass bush up. Yes sir man. Yes sir. Yes sir. All the pass bush up. All the pass bush up guys. Sorry my sound a little bit hoarse, my people, the flow have the best of me. Water cool. Eh? Hey, police, I'm going to get 3 tickets. Oh. Yeah. Once a month, I get 3 tickets, you know. And then he end up gear 2. Yeah. Then he end up semi gear 2. All the bamboo then blow down, could it? Oh, we can't go on this. How we are walk to go on? Good day. But under they go, you don't have to start too dark. It's not too dark or that.
Too dark now?
Not too dark, yeah.
Anyway,
we can shoot video, right? Depending on the nice downness or that. I could take one more shot, go up a little bit further. I don't want to use that.
I'm just saying Sunday afternoon, we kind of reach late. So we're there, I get the fire line up. We do some steamed fish for dinner. Fish for dinner today. Steamed fish, steamed plantain, okra, crackers. That we are cooking with dinner today. So we're there, we are get the ball kick off. Line up the fire.
Snap for them there.
Time I go, but we just have to do what we have to do. I know for time, but I will late now, never.
Nice little stream of people. Nice little location. You know, place kinda look different based up off of how the tree them blow down and pop down all boat and the entire place bush up now. So it kinda look different, but actually it's the same. You know, it's been a while when I come to Sweet River Westmoreland, so actually I shoot video there today, guys. Steam fish with plantain and okra, you know.
So you people today, we are getting fish and scale up. We burn them on the fire now. You see, fat snapper and yellowtail snapper. Crackers and plantain and okra. You think, man? Get yourself sorted out. And the sun there. You know, I say swimmers, but we say fish.
Big up yourself, Chef Gary.
Yeah, man, the whole team, man. Still a big enough, man. I was still. The whole team, man. Big up on yourself, man. We're there, man. Let the fish them clean up. Fire did it. Catch up on a weight.
Yeah, so fish them done clean up. And just wash them off with some vinegar. Drain off the water. Put them in a plate. And just season them up with a little fish season. And leave them. Celery and onion, garlic, pumpkin, carrot. Ginger seed. We'll also add a bit of ginger. Add the remaining of the carrot. Yeah, smell that, boy? I got also add some green thyme. Yeah, I got add in the fish them. I add them in head and tail, right? So the pot can hold them. I want they are stiffen up.
Two head put together.
So you go, man. Sometimes life not really work out how we plan your own.
The big one in the hole better than
all of them in the hole.
The big one in the hole better than everything. If you put alcohol in the hole.
Anyway, you take it, make it done.
Then still a cook.
Yeah, so now add the plant. I'll add them in the plant.
You put a bubble up.
spoon up some of the sauce over the fish. Cover it, you know. Plantain, you know. Steamed fish with plantain today. Add some tomato and some bell pepper. Still a spoon up some of the sauce over fish them. Add a little piece of butter. Then we'll cut up the okra them to go in the steam fish, you know. Rain a fall, man. Yeah, we put up a canvas.
You guys, you need a fall in the water. Fully active, rain out.
Out to the again, you know.
We always prepare, man, so you canvas up. How do you stay?
So I said, content of a shoot, you know?
Rain and shine.
Yeah. Have the okra them there, wash them off, clean them up. See that? Beside damage, you know, man. See that? See that, dog?
Yeah.
Steamed fish with okra and plantain and crackers. Watch it. Mr. Nadisha. You got a problem with them. Hey, you.
Rain a pour out there, man. It's a pour. I drop one drop. Run down black canvas. Rain. Yeah.
In the crackers there, you know? I'm going to take in some of I'm going to take in some of the steam, you know? Type of content where we choose bush life, so anything where you come with, you have to just work with the people. You have to just work with the man. You come with the rain, we have to work with it. Yeah. Here's the plant now, so I go and feed.
Rain. Rain out there.
Yeah, people. What drop?
She's finally come ashore.
You go to this Rasta?
Yeah man, I look for what time.
Eh?
I look for what time, when the rain fall.
Let's see, you go to this.
Yeah man, I want pier.
You want pier?
Everything.
Eh?
Everything.
Everything.
Rain cause everything, yeah, but not up.
No, sir, it's a cream.
That's how rain cause the food, man.
Pier, nice boy, could it?
Yeah man, pier, let's go now.
Nice pier, boy. I'm gonna have second thought when I buy in. Pier, nice. Pier, nice, boy. You dinner the boss. Hold on for you then. How you go eat with your hand?
I'm going to use an honest. I'm going to wash me in my water and use my hand too.
Yo, I say you not prepare no time a week time, you know.
I never buy with the bounce food. Yeah man.
Someone not prepare no. Let's see. Someone not prepare no time a week time, you know.
Yeah man, dinner share man, see that. Oh my world.
Cook on easy, man.
Yes, Pibs. Yes, I pure.
See him face, watch him.
Look up there. See there. Damn it.
Yes, that part of the name, damage.
Oh my word. Yeah, Pibs, man, I tell you, steam fish, okra, and plantain. Nice.
How? Guys, you're lucky when you catch me, because I'm almost done already. Man. Something just different, you know? Refreshing. Another great video again. Steamed fish, plantain, crackers, and okra. Yes, man. That's how we better we did buy one bigger pack of crackers, man.
You got me to man, I'm looking for friends.
Yeah, man. That is how just fly through my eye teeth, you know, people.
Big pack with the food. I'll do a pour around, big pack. I'm not going to dump it around. Steam fish. Red. Crackers. Okra, same and plantain.
You have yourself, Chef Geared. Yeah, man. Like and comment, guys.
Yeah. Now come back for me, now finish me. So I think we're there, man, nothing too hard. Or simple little steam fish with crackers and plantain and okra. Don't know a drift, you know, man. I don't know a drift, though. I like one of them, man. Just like how we video them, man. We like the last video. We like one of them. Continue do one of them, people. Respect our manners.
Yeah, second plate this one.
Yeah, Jesus real.
Food nice, man.
Yes, man.
Man, I have to turn up for this food I go down in my food today. Yeah, man. People, as a thanks for supporting the channel, you know. People and supporting the channel, guys. Respect. Show you later. Your Father God, give thanks again. When come, video finish up, I pull down the canvas. And we are straight enough to get out of here, you know. Man, so we can get video for watch. More and more I prove and see it's a God awesome, you know. You have to just hold on upon him and just believe and keep on putting in the work, because when the rain come down and thing, and always I wonder say if we ever get to complete the video, and by just tie up the canvas and have faith and believe in a God, eventually everything will work out. Come on, so like, comment, share and subscribe my people. Come on.
Yeah man, you know a GIF man. Like my video. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Very active. See you in the next video. Peace and love.